You guys want Orisa instead? Double shield?
Oh, we can do Pain Train, sorry.
No, I wasn't saying that. Although that.
Go up underneath.
Wait, did the game start?
No.
You have 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Did you doze off for a little bit there?
No, I just...
Oh, what's going on?
Okay. Catching up.
Oh shit, I totally forgot where you guys were going. Alright.
We're taking a super weird route.
Ana? Oh, I got slept.
Is there an Ash
Monkey should
or
be... No,
someone behind us?
Free.
Hey, those heals. So amazing. Who chasing you? Nice.
Push the cut.
Pain Train first point.
Dude.
Fucking
That was
strong.
Strong!
Alright, let's go top. Oh fuck.
Oh boy, getting out of there.
Oh, this is bad, I'm slept. Oh, wait. No, we're fine.
Freeze front here.
Nice, Robo. Come back for a sec. There.
Oh fuck, I'm low. Do your balls hang low? Do the temple to and play?
I'm on fire.
You're on fire.
Alright. Cargo, slow down for a sec. Stay with you. Alright,
You guys?
count to 5 and then. Okay, just kill Skiva.
Oh,
Hi. What? What was that?
I was just fucking.
Surrender to my will. I cast
Alright, let's go around him. I got ult here.
Lucio's dead by the way.
Alright, slow up a second.
No, they're all frozen. Don't slow.
Fall forward, fucker.
Fall forward,
damn it.
guys!
We weren't expecting the backside.
Backside's freeze.
I excited the enemy.
Oh, Vegeta. She fucked up. Far right? Far right side, maybe?
Schmitz.
Oh, Ryan's up here. Yeah.
No one's pushing
One
them.
down.
That's alright. They're fucking all dead right here.
Oh, oh my god! That fucking Ryan charge got through, or the fire strike got 3 of them.
I'll push for you guys. If you need to run back, I got shield or ball.
Motherfuckers better not steal my
Nice,
bot.
dude. Oh,
Well,
ja-
Yeah, we gotta figure out how to do this part.
I think. Oh! Let's get in the line left side. Left side, and I'm gonna try to boop us. Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get upside. Come here.
Oh my god,
okay,
right.
Ready?
Right,
Straight line, straight line. Fucking straight line. You guys ready?
Okay, okay, okay.
Are you there?
I'm ready,
Ready, go,
I'm
go,
ready.
go, 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 go.
Ready. Shit.
Yes! We're gonna die, but it was fun.
Nope, never. Keep dropping.
Oh fuck. Ults. I'm going top.
Oh boy.
I mean, they saw it coming the whole time, but it was fun to do it.
They started shooting us while we were standing in a line.
We just need to execute it faster, but you guys knew what I was saying. I was trying to communicate it.
Worth it.
Alright. Top right, I guess? I don't know. Yeah.
I excited the enemy.
Everyone in a line. I'm just kidding. Oh fuck this.
Oh,
Shit.
This Hanzo has us figured out.
Everyone is counting on me.
Oh, we need replayability. That would be funny to see. Well, I guess who was the caboose there?
Get ready for a shock.
It was you, and then it was Robo, then it was me, and then I don't know who was behind me.
oh, I'm sick. Shit.
Alright, we're fucking staggered.
I'm gonna switch to Brigitte.
Brigitte at your service.
I got ult here. Oh. No, Zarya.
Right
Zarya.
with.
Right side.
冻住，不许走。
Fuck was that noise?
Brigitte, 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 Brigitte. Oh no.
Oh boy.
Brigitte still. Fucking kill her, please. Oh my god, this character is broken. Jesus Christ.
Moving the payload. Backup requested.
Get ready for a shock.
She's on one hit, one
Oh
hit.
my god.
Oh my god! I'm out of pee!
Going after Zarya.
Fuck that bitch.
Oh my god, that was so much fun.